everyone, I'm Kimberly from It's So Emma, and we have a brand new notion for you for cross stitch. It's going to help you follow your cross stitch patterns much easier, and it's called the Cross Stitch Line Keeper. So let me show you how you use it. When you get your package, you get 4 line keepers, and they're magnets, so you no longer need a magnet board. So this is how they work, and you get 4. You get 2 longer and 2 smaller. And you can keep this to keep them on there, or you can just throw them in your bag. The best thing about when you throw them in your bag is they stay together. So easy to find. So I'm going to show you an example of how you could use it. So this is one of our new patterns, and I have been stitching this, and there's different ways you can use it. Okay, so the reason you don't need a magnet board is this magnets to your pattern. And there's different ways you can use it. You can either put the line keeper under your stitches on the row you're working on, which is what I've been doing, and as you finish the row, you just move down to the next row. Another way you could do it is you could keep the line keeper above the row you're stitching, and as you stitch it, go down. That's 2 different ways you can use it. Another way you can use it is if you're working on just a small section like this and you want your eye to just go to that section, you can use 2 line keepers and put it just like this. And then your eye will go right there, and they both stay on, and it's going to help you keep your eye where you would like it to go. The reason we selected black for the line keeper is because when we tested the product, black was the easiest to see when you work with colored or black and white pattern. So it will work with any kind of pattern you have. And this will really help you keep you on track with your cross stitch pattern. You can pick up your cross stitch line keeper at Fat Quarter Shop.